Hi guys, welcome to a new video, and in this video I will show you how to get started with LinkedIn stories and how to create a LinkedIn story. So it's a new update in LinkedIn, so you want to update the app, and once you've updated the app you want to open it. I've already updated it. So then you see like the LinkedIn stories on the top corner here. So for example this. And this is how you can create a LinkedIn story. So for example, if I make a picture right now with my laptop, I can add like a few stickers, I can add text, and I can share it with my friend, with my connections. You can even add like different colors of text, and this is how it works. I would recommend to only share like relevant things to your business, or like attending a business event or a meeting on your LinkedIn stories. Otherwise I wouldn't do it, because it will like come over as spam, or yeah, just show the relevant stuff. If you have any questions about how this works, please leave a comment down below, and thanks for watching.